What's up, TC family? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a relaxing day so far. I am currently in Roscoe Park in Homestead, just having a relaxing afternoon. This is a few minutes from the Baywood community that I will be featuring in this video. I wanted to show you guys a nice 3-bedroom, 2-bath decorated model home priced at around $324,000. Now make sure you watch the entire video because at the end I will be leaving you with some very important information you will need to know when you tour a new construction home and start visiting builders. But first, let's take a look at the model home. Now, I hope you all enjoy the tour. Let me know in the comments what you think of the house. Like this video and subscribe if you are new to the channel. I just want to leave you all with 3 important things to do when you visit builders. The first thing is to ask questions. Don't be afraid to ask a lot of questions. Find out about costs, how the long building takes, what warranties are provided, what are the standard finishes, are you allowed to purchase your own appliances, is landscaping included, how much are homeowners association fee, are there any incentives for using builder lenders? Don't hold back, ask every question you can think of. Get everything in writing. Most respectable builders will honor what they say. However, they may truly forget the promises they made to you. Anything that is verbal is not guaranteed. That is why you must get everything in writing to make it binding. Protect yourself so you don't lose out on money. Next, research the builder. Research the best new home builders in your area. Start with a Google search. See what other customers are saying about their experience with the developers you're interested in. If you can connect with your current residents on social media, you will have great information and resources to make an educated decision. Plus, you get to learn about your neighbors as well. If you are thinking about buying a new home, make sure to cover all your bases so you have a successful real estate transaction. Hope you guys like this video. Leave a comment and let me know how you feel about the new construction process. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.